Hi, I'm Bill Snyder. I'm the manager of the Main Street location. What we're going to walk you through today is a typical air conditioning service. When you notice that your air conditioning system is not cooling as well as it used to, and the average honestly is about every 5 years these systems need to be serviced. We use state-of-the-art equipment. To do that, the Freon's measured in ounces instead of pounds. Too much Freon as well as too little can cause an air conditioning system to malfunction. We do a basic performance test when you bring your car in, which is we hook the machine up to it to see what the Freon is doing, what the system charge is. We also check the temperature, the output temperature in the blower of the dash to make sure if it's within tolerances, that may be all you need. If it's not, then we take the Freon out of the system, measure the weight, put back in the proper amount of Freon.
Tire Factory, we go the extra mile.